Hello everyone, this is Captain Vijay here with another episode. Today we have a special guest and my good friend, Mr. Ankit Ahuja. He is a second officer with my own company, Suntech Ship Management. Now he has a very inspiring and motivational journey from a GP rating to second officer. Plus, he has also started his own business, lavender.com. Okay, we will be all learning about his journey, how to become an officer from a GP rating in India, which is one of the most difficult process to become an officer in India, and the struggles that he's faced. So we'll all answer most of the queries directly from the person who has faced all those scenarios and the struggles. So, Mr. Ankit Ahuja, thank you so much for taking your time and joining me in this video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for calling me. My pleasure.
Okay, Ankit, now first question, basic question. Just tell me something about yourself so that logo ko pata chal jaye, who is the one giving us this valuable information.
Yeah, hello everybody. Myself, Ankit Ahuja. I've been sailing as second officer in the same company as our captain sir, Suntech Ship Management. And now I am pursuing my chief mate examination, and half of the process has already been completed. And my only phase two returns and orals are remaining, which I will be giving after my contract. Side by side, I have also started a business which is commonly known as lavender.com, but currently it is on hold. I have not yet started the commercial prospect of the business due to some of the reasons, but it will be starting soon. And the rest, I will continue to sail apart from the business, as I like to sail on the ship. I like to work on the ship. That's it.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Dehradun.
Dehradun. Okay, I was in Dehradun few years back, but you were on board that time. Okay, now tell me, why did you join the Merchant Navy and how did you know about Merchant Navy? कहाँ से पता चला? कहाँ से किधर से guidance मिला? Did you contact through any agents or directly?
Merchant Navy actually, as in the time when I joined the Merchant Navy, this field was particularly very high on demand between the youth, and also my brother and my cousin is also sailing one ship as a captain, and my real brother as a chief officer. So I got inspired from my cousin, who is a very senior master. So from there, I decided to join this field as well. And the rest also, it is very fascinating for the youth to join Merchant Navy. So from there, I decided to join the ship and work there.
Okay, and why did you decide to choose to join as GP rating?
Actually, it was unfortunately I got very less percentage in PCM and got missed by 1 mark. I have got 59.8%,
Oh
and
my
that time
God.
the requirement was 60%. And that time the
You
requirement
won't
was
believe,
60%.
you won't believe you at least you joined through GP rating and now you're an officer. There are institutes in, I believe in one of the institutes ना in चेन्नई में there is एक institute है जिसने less than 60% ले लिया था एडमिशन देके प्रीसी कर दिया and now they are stuck क्योंकि अभी वो सेकंड में जब जा रहे हैं ना असेसमेंट करने के लिए तो उनको बोल रहे कि फाउंडेशन करो या सॉरी एनसीवी करो तो अभी वो कैडेटशिप करने के बाद भी फंस चुके हैं तो मैं तो एडवाइस देता हूँ किसी का भी 60% एंड बिलो है ना तो ज्वाइन ही ना करो मर्चेंट नेवी वो करना है यू फॉलो दिस लॉन्ग प्रोसेस नहीं तो फिर एचएनडी डिप्लोमा कर लो
It is a lengthy process, and I have also gone through the same procedure. I have first did NCV 4 months and then written
oh
examination. Then
we
I
will come back to your this struggle later on so GP rating you said you did your GP rating कहाँ से किया from where you did
I have did my GP rating from Southern Academy of Maritime Studies, Chennai.
okay then after that how did you
So
get your
from
first
there I
company
did. After that, through some recommendations and through obviously a fair route, I haven't approached the agent, but through some recommendation, I entered the Merchant Navy, and the company MSI Ship Management, they took me as a trainee OS,
Okay.
and from there my journey starts.
Trainee OS, you did 9 months?
No, after 6 months I got promoted to OS on that very same shift.
Same shape, you got promoted to OS. Okay. So, how was the experience going on board for the first time as a trainee OS?
It was actually very tough experience for me. It was a very hectic life there, but somehow I managed to uh, complete my tenure. I completed 12 months on that ship, very
12
first ship.
months, Babre.
As I want, yeah, as I wanted to become an officer from the very start. So I sailed for a long time to complete my 36-month tenure as soon as possible. But
I
yes,
see.
it was a hectic life, but very useful. The ships were old, but yes, they taught me a very good knowledge of the chemical tanker. They gave me a very good knowledge of the chemical tanker as
So, I think you're referring to the Celadon ships, no?
well. Salindang, yeah, Salindang Gemara was my first ship.
Okay, those are the old ships and the toughest ones. So, okay, so you
Yeah.
mentioned that you wanted to become an officer from day one. So, that's why you did long contracts and tried to finish your 36 months ASAP.
Yes, actually, then I didn't got my percentage in class 12. So, but already I have cleared the English examination and executive management examination. I have already passed, but my result was delayed for 12 board examination. But when once the result came out, my hope got broke. But after my brother told me not to join the Navy as a GP rating. He refused. He told me not to join because it is a tough life for me. So, but I was very strong in my mind that I have to join Merchant Navy and I have to become officer and captain one day. So I said no, I will join. I will join Merchant Navy as a GP rating, no problem. So from there I just entered and started my career. So it was from the very first day I joined, it was in my mind that I have to become officer.
Excellent. So now coming back to now you have completed your 36 months. Now ye questions now, it is very common. Many of the GP ratings who have joined accidentally, even after having 60% fake agents, wrong guidance, they have started this GP rating kar liya unhone. But now they want to become an officer. So we will go through, the steps. Ek to I think 36 months ke baad you can go to UK and give exams. It is simple process. You have to do second mates directly, but it is expensive. Also, Singapore option is there, and you can go to Australia, New Zealand also. But you chose
Australia,
to
New
do it
Zealand,
from
lots of
India.
options are there nowadays.
Why you chose to do it from India, even though you know that it is very tough to the process? Yahan pe it's a very lengthy process.
This actually happened is same coming back to old stories that I didn't got good marks in 12th. So my brother and my family a little bit said me that it is very difficult for you to pass from India. But somewhere in my mind, I know I can do it from India. So and also the value of Indian COC is quite high. And I also want to prove to myself also that no, 12th is not the only thing to do. You can be good in studies, but maybe it was a bad luck to get less marks in 12th. But I can clear in India from India. So I decided to go through India only.
Okay. So what is the basic process? Now you go back to the time where you did your second mates NCV. So just tell us how you approached and the which mein jo bhi steps the, what are the steps to get your second mate COC?
Yeah, the first step was after completing 36 months, we have to do an assessment in the MMD and then do a course NCV, which is similar to second mate functions, but for 4 months.
4 months.
Then you have to
Okay.
give, yeah. And the other requirement is you have to have 12 PCM in 12. Otherwise, you will not be able to give in India.
But if you have done from 10th standard then, 10th ke baad GP
Hello?
rating then?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So the second thing is you have to have 12 done with PCM. Then only you can proceed from there. And then I went to NCV. I did NCV 4 months course. Then give
Okay,
written
one stop I have to
examination.
do. What if you have completed only 10th and then joined GP rating? Then you cannot do it from India?
No, no. After that, you cannot do it from India. You have to proceed to UK or somewhere else.
Oh,
In
okay,
India,
okay.
it is the requirement that you have to done 12 PCM.
12 PCM is compulsory.
Yeah, 12 PCM is compulsory. Marks is not a requirement. But you
Marks
have
is
to
not
then
required.
do 12 PCM.
I see. Okay, so next after NCV?
After NCV, I gave returns. Then after clearing NCV, I proceeded to second mid foundation course, which is of 2 months. Then
Is it still applicable
the
now?
written
Foundation is still
examination of that held in LBS college. After clearing that, then I again proceeded to I joined second mid function course again of 4 months. Then
function
the
4
same
months.
procedure start as a cadet, that second mid function course, returns and orals.
Okay. This foundation is still existing? Any idea of your recent friends?
Foundation, my friend has recently cleared the examination. He was also from rating background, and he has done the foundation course. Yes.
Foundation. So NCV foundation, then normal process as a cadet. So returns
Yes.
बहुत सारे हो गए, but orals is only one, or NCV orals is separate and you have to give.
It is like if you want to join as a NCV third mate or NCV second mate, then you can give for NCV orals. Otherwise, if you have done sailing in foreign going vessels and you want to get a COC of second mate foreign going, then you don't have to give the orals, but you can proceed with the second mate function course.
Okay, got it. Then you can, it's a normal process after second mates, and then you apply your ROC, ARPA, GMDSS, and other modular courses,
Yes,
give
yes,
your orals.
same modular process. Yeah.
So one question, this when the surveyor is taking your examination, the internal and external, do you think kuch bias hota, or it is more tough when they see a rating coming for an oral exam? So they are more strict in asking questions?
Honestly speaking, they have asked me a lot of questions, but they were not at all biased. I have cleared my second mate orals in first attempt, all three functions. So I didn't find them biased. And but yes, they will ask you a lot of questions. My oral was almost 3 hours. 1.5 hours taken by external and 1.5 hour took by internal. But yes, they passed me in all the subjects in the first attempt.
Totally grill
But they
कर
were not
दिया.
biased. Yes, I was also like, अभी हो गया बस मुझे माफ कर दो. But they gave me all the three functions
But I don't know.
altogether.
Somehow, if a surveyor sees that a rating has come to, for his second mate, I think it's like a very nice thing to see that, ratings are also wanting to become officer.
It is a good thing, and like some people may not like it, some people like it, but yes, it is a good thing that everybody should have a right to go up in the life and not just stay in one rank like AB or Dosan. Everybody have got the right to go up, and this is a very good platform, or it is a very good thing to go up in life and give examination. I will suggest all the rating also to give exam. There is no harm. You should at least try. One should at least try to give examination. The rest is all on God.
I see. So in your 36 months, how many months you did as trainee OS? You did mention you did 6 months, then you did 3 months as OS. Then how many months you did as OS and AB? Now I'm asking 36 months, how many months you did as OS and AB?
In 36 months, I have almost 14-15 months as an OS and then rest as an AD.
AB, okay. Because many would be knowing, they will be having this doubt that 36 months will they be promoted to AB as well? So ho jata hai, I believe.
Yes, yes. I got actually first ship I got promoted to OS. Then second ship I did totally as OS because I was not having watchkeeping certificate. But yes, if I was having the watchkeeping certificate, I would have been promoted to AD. So on that second ship also. That on the next ship, I joined as So it all depends on your work and the liking that your seniors are liking your work. You can get promotion as well. It's not like you have to do 36 months. It depends on your knowledge and your hard work.
Okay. Next, very difficult question for you. Tell me about your struggle. Abhi COC to mil gaya. Now you got your COC through the long process. How much time it took for your COC from the time you started NCV till you obtained your COC exam, COC license?
Actually, I did examination in break. Like 2013, I have started the NCV, and then I did second batch foundation course, and then I did GMDSS, ROC, RPACDIS, and then joined that on the ship as an AB because it was already 1 year. So due to financial status, I have to join as AB. Then after AB, I came back. After completing my tenure as AB, I came back and then continued with the second MET function course. And then in full stretch, I did the second MET function course and all oral center.
So literally, I think around 2 years, more than 2 years.
Yeah, from 2013 I started, and 2015 October I got my COC.
So now the main part, getting a company after getting a license, how difficult it was to find a company which will give an opportunity to a rating turned officer.
It is the most difficult part to join as an officer after an AD because no company was ready to take, and they straight away said that we will not take from rating background. So it was a difficult part, but yes, I didn't approach the agent because I know 99% of the agents are fraud, so I didn't want to approach them. But luckily, due to my recommendation and like my brother is also in shipping, so with his recommendation, I joined the company Navigate, which is now Sunteck.
Okay, so at least there you were lucky. And, but somebody who doesn't have any relatives, then
it is still very tough for them because no company is still taking. No matter how much you have done hard work, no matter how good knowledge you have, but 99% companies are just refusing directly. So there was in between there was some protest also ki why companies are not hiring officers from rating, because this is actually same like a ST quota ki why a lower rank person are not able to climb up. But now what companies are did, they will say that we hire officers from rating, but somehow they will through other channels or through they will show you like मतलब कुछ भी दिखा देंगे कि नहीं, you are not eligible. They will not say directly that will not take hire officer from rating, but somehow they will refuse. This is the problem I have seen that my friends or colleagues are facing. So a few of them have already left shipping because of this, because they didn't got the job after clearing examinations also. So that is the toughest part, I think. And once you enter the field as an officer, then there is no problem. Then most of the companies will hire. But yes, entering into the ship as an officer is a very difficult part.
But I think I may be wrong, but even some companies will try to exploit you, sending you as a junior officer or sometimes even sending you as a cadet.
They even send us AB. They say that okay, do one contract as AB and then we will promote you to junior officer or TNO. Like I joined as trainee navigation officers, which is similar to cadet only. But yes, it was a good contract for me. But yes, it is difficult. Means somehow they will try to convince you to join as an AB again, because ABs are mostly in demand, because so they try to fill the gap through this route that okay, you join as AB for one contract and then we will promote you. But my few friends who believe them and joined as AB, but still they are selling as AB. Company has taken them as one officer.
Yeah. ABs with especially oil and chemical tanker background are very rare, and AB with second mid COC very rare.
Very rare.
Exploitation. So finally, now tell me about your experience keeping. Okay, you did ships at TNO. I think 2 contracts you did.
No, one contract STA, no? Then three
Then next
contract as third
contract,
officer and
3 contracts as third officer,
second
and
officer.
now one
One
contract
contract as
as
second
second
officer.
officer. Okay.
Second officer. Yeah.
So in TNO, you were not keeping independent bridge watches and cargo watches.
Cargo watches, actually, I was doing cargo watches as independent because it was dependent on chief officer. But yes, bridge watches, I was with chief mate because at that time there was no such thing like in our company we have the induction form for junior officer now.
Yeah,
At that time there was no induction form. So captains were not ready to give the responsibility
independent
of
watch.
keeping an independent watch to junior officers. But now they are giving. But yes, during my time it was not there. I did as
Okay. Now your experience as the first, first experience as independent watch keeping officer. Now there were time where you were keeping watches with the duty officer and watching how he is taking action, how he's doing his writing his logbook and all that. Now you had to do the same thing first time, as third mate. How was that experience? Finally, captain says, "Okay, duty officer, now you have the con."
yeah, it was actually very different feeling keeping an independent watch because during my earlier days I was keeping watch as a lady, but this time I was the officer of the watch. So it was a very different feeling and very proud feeling also. And rest I have kept in mind that anything will happen, I will call the master. I will not let the ship get into that situation where nobody can control them. So this was the main thing in my mind, that be alert and be situation aware, and then anything you feel doubt, you call master. This was the first thing in my mind. So as the days passed by, I gained more confidence. Then rest all was good. Uh, Luckily, never had into such situation where I have to where I feel doubt or like थोड़ा तकलीफ हो जाए कि क्या हो गया.
Hmm.
Uh, Better I will suggest every new officers to be alert and don't hesitate to call master, because if you call the master, master will be happy that at least the person is calling me. He will try, he will sleep well. Master will sleep well if you call the master.
Is it me thinking, or is it true that you have still remembered the advice that I gave you when I was you were with me?
Sir, sir, actually, I have followed many, like you are my mentor, and a few more person who have given me very good advice. Like Captain Gaurav Pandey also have given me very good advice, and you have also, I have been knowing you from very long time. So you have given me very good advices. So I have been following that, and till now, luckily, most of the masters are liking my work. They are liking to sail with me again, and it is a good feeling. Like people believes in you is the best thing what can be done.
Ankit, tell us about your side venture, this lavender.com. It's a website, and I myself I have ordered 2 t-shirts, and with that 2 t-shirts, you were very kind enough to send me epaulets. So, is that the only e-commerce business, or you are adding more products in the website?
Yes, sir. Actually, lavender.com, we hope to start it as a one platform like Amazon, but later we realized that we cannot enter in the market with such a big products or so many products. So I thought to enter the market through t-shirts and by selling t-shirts, and then we will slowly add more products. But currently, lavender.com is it is a live website, still live, but we have stopped the selling for few months. As the name, we have got difficulty with the name.
Oh,
As my software engineer suggested that the name lavender.com is not good for SEO.
ये क्या
Hello,
है?
hello.
ये क्या है? मतलब वो
Yes,
not
sir.
good for SEO.
Not
ये
good
क्या
for
होता है?
SEO. SEO like SEO is like if you want to search for t-shirts, so you will go in Google and type best t-shirt online. So then you click enter and lots of sites come in the pages.
Correct.
But lavender name will not come in the top of the first Google page because of the name.
Oh,
Because we have double D in
correct.
the
Many
lavender.
times I also had a mistake. I was also
Yes,
typing the
so
wrong
it
website.
yes. So this was the problem which we are facing, and we will be renaming the site. So we are researching on a good name.
I
And
see.
the second is we are also looking to expand the business, expand the t-shirt market, and then we have to reduce the price. So for reducing the price, we have to order in very bulk. So I am researching on that also, and almost my research is completed, and I need some finances for which we will be approaching investor to invest on the site. So once we get investor and we get everything, then we will soon start again. We will soon start selling the products again.
I see.
In between, we have also added the mobile phones, Samsung mobiles, and headphones. Headphones of all companies were there, but we were also facing problem with the local distributors. So we removed the electronic part, and we thought to focus on the t-shirts only, because what we got the reviews of our t-shirt was good. So people, those who have bought the t-shirt, they liked the quality, and so we thought to focus on the t-shirts first. Then we will
I
expand
I
it.
did. I can say that I will vouch for that. Your t-shirt quality was good. For the price, comparatively, your quality of the cloth or material was very good, and the printing was good. And that still now, I think almost more than a year, and the print ka not even one part has come out yet. नहीं तो बाकी जो printed t-shirts में था ना, even
Yes,
the branded ones में से निकल जाता है.
निकल जाता है. Yes. Because those t-shirts were very high quality, but yes, to reduce the cost of those t-shirts, we are finding it difficult. But because of the competition in the market, there are lots of t-shirt selling sites which are selling those t-shirts in 425, 450 rupees, but we want to reduce the price to 400 rupees. So for that, I'm doing the researches and contacting many manufacturers.
I see.
But for that, we need a big investment. So we are looking forward for investors also. So once we get the good investor, then we will again continue the website with a different name. Obviously, Lavender will not be the name. It will be changing to a different name.
I see. So whenever your name is ready, Jo, let us know. I will add it in the YouTube description of this video in IGTV, Instagram, as well as YouTube. And I will also share it on my story.
Yeah, sure. As well. Thank you.
So all this now, this one basic issue that all the seafarers are facing now, these agents. Agents are 99%, you said fraud agents, hote hain, do not approach them, follow the normal process. Time consuming, like you have struggled almost 3 years to get your COC and find a job as an officer. So any advice for the new guys who wants to take this shortcut and then they get stuck with the agents, waste their money giving to agents by selling the land, God knows what, and then finally, stuck and still not able to find a job?
I will tell the new comers that please do not approach the agent, because 99% of the agents are fake. They will somehow take the money from you and will run away, or they will send you on ships which are in Dubai or some other places where you will not get the salary, you will not get the sign off, you will not get the proper food, accommodation. So my advice is not to approach the agent directly. Be patient, have patience, approach companies. If you really have the financial problem, approach companies, tell them about that I am facing problem. There are many companies who listens to the cadets and new officers, and they consider them. So, and be well knowledgeable while approaching the offices. You should have instant knowledge of, because they can ask question instantly, and if they like you, they will keep you. So keep refreshing your knowledge, and go through a proper channel. Approach companies, approach every company. There are lots of companies which hires. I am not saying that not every company will hire. The companies will hire. If you have good knowledge, they will definitely hire you. And avoid agents. Avoid these agents because they are really good for nothing. they will take your money and run away.
Okay. Okay. And one more, I would like to ask you about your experience. Now you're keeping a watch as a second officer and you have AB under you. So definitely you must be telling the AB that I was also AB once. So AB be excited हो जाता रहेगा ना? Maybe, not all ABs, some ABs are very senior and they don't want to even become bosun, forget being an officer. But I think the young OS or AB को पता चलता होगा that you have become an officer from rating background. तो ऐसा होता नहीं कि वो पूछते हाउ कैसे सर कैसे हमको भी बताओ क्या क्या किया आपने.
Sir, in the just in my last shift, two AVs were very young, and then I told them my story that I am also from AV background, and you have to be professional, you have to behave professional, you have to learn things and like this. So I don't know why, but both of the AVs are giving exam right now in India.
Oh, okay.
They got motivated and they just, even one of the AV just called me yesterday only, and he told me please advise me how to join. And he wanted to give from UK because he don't want to waste
NCV.
too much of time in India. Like
Yeah.
yes. So he wanted to go through UK. So he has not, he don't have any financial problem. So I said okay, proceed to UK. So he got motivated, and one of the AB also he got motivated, and just 5 to 10 days before, one of my AB, which you also know, sir, Binny Yadav, he
I
cleared
know
his
बिन्नी.
second
हाँ.
mate
क्या बात
10
कर
days
रहे हो?
before.
अच्छा. Oh, very good. Bouncer.
So bouncer, he just cleared his second mate, and he was in contact with me. He called me, ki, okay, Ankit, I saw you. Now you are becoming chief mate, so I got motivated, and I will give exam. Just because at that time, 2013 only, I told him, you come with me, and we both will give the exam together. But that time didn't agree. But now he saw me that okay, one of my friend Ankit is also sailing as second officer, so he got motivated and he thought to give exam. And now he just passed his second match from India.
That's nice. Very nice. And okay, I think I'm done with the questions. Anybody asking in YouTube में कुछ questions or IGTV any comments? No, then I will ask you and I will answer that guy directly. Also, my
Definitely,
friends, he was there with me as second mate. I have taught him a lot watchkeeping, and I saw that he wants to become an officer. Then I met him again as a mate. That time I had Kevin Fernandez. He is a mate right now in Suntec as well, and he was second mate with me that time. So I had the power, obviously, to switch the AB's watchkeeping. So I made sure that this guy is keeping watches with Kevin, so that he learns maximum from Kevin. And that time I remember he was doing chart correction, passage planning, everything with Kevin. So Kevin also knows that, and Kevin is also super proud along with me. Hambi, we are also very proud, and since almost 2012, almost 8 years, I know you have seen you grow from AB to almost now second officer, and very soon, maybe a few years more, and you will be captain. So it's a very nice and proud feeling to know such inspirations. And you, like you mentioned, I was very eager to know कि ship पे तो जाता होगा ना, तो उधर का crew must be very happy and excited. उसमें से एक तो definitely बोलता होगा सर मुझे ना आपके जैसा बनना है. So this is motivation, this is
yes,
inspiration.
Mostly yes. In every ship, I find one or two guy who wants to join an officer. They are OS or AB, and they are continuing in contact with me. They call me, okay, sir, I have completed my 36 months and now what to do. So I keep guiding them. I like to guide them. I want people to grow up, not just sail as a AB only. So anytime, anywhere, anytime they call me, they can ask me anything. I don't mind, and I keep motivating them from time to time. So almost every ship I get, one person at least I get who listens to my story and then he says, okay, sir, I also want to proceed to give examinations. So that is sometimes a very proud feeling. I feel very much confidence also and very much proud also. Yeah, I have done something. It's like
Yes,
okay,
yes.
हाँ कुछ तो कर लिया है चलो. So
ट्रस्ट
I like.
में मुझे ना बहुत सारे डीएम्स और जब मैं इंस्टाग्राम ज्वाइन किया मुझे बहुत मैसेजेस आ रहे थे हाउ कैन वी बिकम एन ऑफिसर फ्रॉम जीपी रेटिंग और मैंने बहुत लोगों को मैसेज भेजा था दैट आई विल डू दिस वीडियो with one of my good friend who has actually seen the struggle in India and actually become an officer. There are people who have become officer, but they have gone to UK and done that, which is slightly easy. But UK is expensive, you know. And again, finding company, even if you have UK or Indian COC, you still struggle to find your company as a first time as a third officer. And Indian COC ka yes, value hai, no doubt value hai.
Yes, yes, yes. Values there, and I would like to thank you, sir, and Kevin also, and even I will like to thank Santec also for considering me and giving me the chances. And rest all is I will continue to sail and continue to work like I'm working right now. So I will like to especially like to thank you and Kevin a lot that you people have motivated me and taught me so much that I was able to clear everything in first attempt. That was a biggest matter of pride because even uh, very knowledgeable people also they called me after my orals that how you cleared in first attempt. So it was a just all your well wishes and your teachings that I have been here. So I would like to thank you and thank Kevin and thank other people who have helped me.
So thank you so much, Ankit, for coming on this small episode, not a show kind of, and sharing your experience. I'm sure ये video देख के many of the viewers and seafarers GP rating background or who have in less percentage in less than 60% in PCM or 10 standard, they want to become an officer. So watch this video. You will be clearing 80 to 90% of your doubts. If anything else, put in comments. If not, Ankit will reply. If not, I'll reply.
Yeah.
So thank you, Ankit, very much for joining, and I wish you all the very best for your future contracts. And very soon, I hope to see you as Captain Ankit Ahuja.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.